children, I'm Asha Rani. I'm an English teacher working at Jilla Parishad High School, Jeedimetla of Mechal district. Today, in this video, I'm going to share a few tips of writing a better speech script. As you all know, speech is an oral discourse, but you also should know that every good speaker writes his or her speech script well in advance. We may get a question on writing a speech script in our English question paper 2 under section C at question number 33, which carries 10 marks. So, children, are you all ready to score full marks in writing speech script? Let's get started.
Children, let us recollect what a speech is. Speech is an expression of one's opinion on a certain aspect using logical facts. That means they have to speak about acceptable facts. The speaker should speak in such a way that the audience or the listener gets convinced. When it is presented orally, the voice modulation and body language plays an important role. To give a speech, we need some occasion. For example, at school events like national festivals, annual days or sports day, at public meetings where you have to address people on any topic based on the situation. And during awareness camps like child labor, health and hygiene, etc. and also at political platforms during elections. All these platforms are where the speaker reaches out to a large group of audience. To be a better speaker, we need to know three aspects of it. The first one is the topic or purpose. Means we should know where exactly we are going to speak, whether it's an annual day celebration or a teacher's day function. Okay? And the second one is the audience. Before we start addressing the people, we need to know who the people are. Are we addressing students, doctors, or teachers? Okay? The third one is length of the speech. Basically, it is decided on the time given to a speaker. But for us, in the examination, there is a sentence limit. While writing the speech script, as far as the length is concerned, we have to restrict our writing to 10 to 12 sentences. At the maximum, you can write 15 sentences, but not more than that. In the examination, you may be asked to write a speech script in a given situation. So, children, before writing, you must read the question thoroughly to understand the topic or purpose, which will be clearly mentioned in the question. To know the audience, you have to understand the situation very well and you have to guess the audience. Sometimes you might find mention of the audience in the question also. And as far as length is concerned, as I said earlier, it is restricted to 10 to 12 sentences, maximum 15 sentences. Now children, for our examination, we need to know the tips to score full marks in writing a speech script. After reading the question, you should get a clear idea about what you want to say. For this, you have to jot down some points. Write down the points that comes into your mind as you start thinking about the particular topic. Now, you can use one page of your answer booklet as rough work. You remember what you do in mathematics? You keep some pages for rough work. In the same way, you can jot down all the points before writing the final draft in a page, but see that you put a heading rough work on the top of the page and don't forget to strike the whole page later. Here, whatever you say must reach the audience. For this, your sentences must be as simple as possible so that the audience understand what you want to say. Now let us see how to draft a speech script. Now it's the time to write, children. Now our speech script should have 3 parts in it. The first part should be the opening or introduction. The second part is the body, where you put some information into that as per the question, as per the situation. And the third part is the conclusion, or we call it summary. You have to follow this order while drafting your script. Now let's see how to begin writing a speech script. Your speech must begin with greeting to the audience. If it is a school event, then you should begin like respected chief guest, headmaster, teachers, and my dear friends. If at all it is in some other place, something like a youth club, then you should be saying respected president of the club, organizing secretary, and dear members. You can also wish them on the special occasion if there is any. And it should be followed by proper introduction. So, as part of the introduction, you can say, today I would like to express my views on, or you can even say on this occasion of, and mention the occasion. The beginning or opening of your speech script has to be very interesting, motivating, and clear. The audience should immediately understand what you are going to talk to them about. Once this has been done properly, now you should start writing about the given topic. You have to express your ideas or what you think about that particular topic. For this, you should arrange all the ideas you have jotted down in an order and put them into sentences. And be sure to write simple sentences. And while writing, give 1 or 2 examples to support your idea. You can take any real life examples. You can use formal and informal language, or you can stick to any one language. There is no restriction. And your speech should be very interactive. Audience should get connected to that. To involve the audience, ask 1 or 2 questions wherever there is a possibility. Questions not to seek answers from them, but to get connected with them. Pose the question, give some pause, and then write the next word. If it is required, give the answer to the question. And while using pronouns, we need to be very careful. You should use less of I and more of we or you or us. That's a bit convincing and getting connected to them. And the words you choose should be very appropriate, and if needed, use idiomatic expressions, but don't fill your speech script with all idioms. Okay, 1 or 2 idioms. And you have to really concentrate on grammaticality of your sentence. They have to be structurally correct sentences, and proper punctuation marks, and pauses also should be indicated. Pauses because it is an oral discourse, and wherever you stop while speaking should be indicated in the script in the form of dots. In the last 2 lines of your script, you have to sum up your points quickly. Your conclusion must emphasize your viewpoints that you have expressed in your speech in the earlier sentences. And you should also thank the audience and the organizers at the end. You can use the simple sentence like, "Thank you all for giving me this opportunity."
Children, we have seen how to write a better speech script. Now, let us see how your answer gets assessed. That means how the examiner is going to assess or allot marks to the answer you have written.
Along with the features of a write-up, it is always better to know how our answer is being evaluated. To assess your answer to a speech script, we have certain indicators. Now, let us know and understand them. All the 10 marks are divided into different areas. Contextual relevance and organization of thoughts carries 2 marks. That is, you have to write as per the question given to you and you should not deviate from the topic. Next, use of interactive and persuasive language. That is, in a speech, it is very essential to have a convincing language. If you have presented your write-up in a convincing way, you are sure to get 2 marks. Citation of quotes, example, references, etc. carries 2 marks. Okay, and along with that, grammatical aspect like tense, agreement, all these structurally correct sentences, they will get 2 marks. And conventions of writing like paraphrasing, punctuation, all these together gets 1 mark. And finally, coherence, that is use of connectives, linkers, pronouns. Okay, especially in speech script, we use more pronouns like we, you, us. Okay, so such things I'll carry 1 mark. This is how your answer will be analyzed by your examiner.
My dear children, you know the process and indicators of a speech script. A little practice is also needed along with the theoretical knowledge. So, let's have a look at a sample question and the answer to it.
Now let's see a sample question, children. Such type of questions, they appear in English paper 2, question number 33, that you all are very much aware. Assume that you are the secretary of the youth club of your locality. On the occasion of Women's Day celebrations, you are asked to speak about empowerment of the girl child. In this regard, write a speech script in 10 to 12 sentences. Now just see this. If you don't understand by one reading, you have to read it 2 or 3 times until you understand the concept. Now understanding the question means, from the question you should identify the purpose, the audience and the occasion. Now very clearly in the inverted commas it is said about the occasion, and it also shows the topic that we are going to write speech script for. And it also indicates the audience. As it is a Women's Day celebration conducted by a youth club, so mostly the audiences will be the grown-up ones and mostly women. Keeping these things in mind, now you should start thinking what are the sentences you should put in to your speech script for emphasizing empowerment of the girl child. Here is a sample script written based on the question that we have just read. So let's see in detail how the script has been written. Now children, let us look at the opening paragraph. See, the writer has nicely greeted the audience and also mentioned the occasion. This is the body of the speech script. And see how beautifully the writer has mentioned the topic. He has given our famous quote that is very prominent in the society, and also referred a person, an eminent personality, and also asked a question to the audience. And then he stopped after that. That stop, that pause is shown in the form of dots in a written script. And he has mentioned the real life references in his script. In the conclusion, the speaker has expressed his strong stand for that particular aspect, and he also invited the audience to join hands with him and finally thanked them. So after the complete analysis of the speech script, I think we all must agree that this is a well-written speech script.
My dear children, I hope you have got enough confidence to answer a question on writing a speech script. Do remember, mere knowing of the concept will not give us marks. To get good marks, there is only one secret, that is practice, practice and practice. We all know that practice makes a person perfect. So keep practicing till the examination and get good marks. Good luck.